What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have another weed and grass killer. This one is from Ortho. Saw this at Home Depot, but Sam's Club I think have like a 2-pack of these, and you can get it from Amazon. The last time I checked, I saw one on Amazon. You know, it's maybe. Sometimes Amazon is a maybe. It might be out of stock sometimes, I don't know. But as always, when we deal with herbicide, insecticide, anything with side in it, anything with kill in it, weed killer, grass killer, make sure you wear your proper PPE. And yeah, that's basically it with that. Turn it around, or if you never knew how to get to the instructions, this is how you get to it. And you don't want to rip the whole thing up. Alright, so here is all the instructions for you. If you got pets, it'll let you know when your pets can be allowed to go back on your grass and all that mess. If I find anything on here, I'll let you know about how long it take for your pets, or well, how long it take until your pets are able to play in the grass again. Alright, and I also grabbed this because it says it works in 15 minutes, so we are going to put that to the test. I'm going to use this in the field. I kind of let my garden get away this year. I didn't plant peppers. I usually I usually plant peppers and tomatoes and all types of stuff, but this year I was kind of lacking. I still can plant peppers out there if I want to. Just been busy with the deck, so yeah. We are going to use the wand. I am not going to use mine, just so for the review sake, right? So when you get this, you take this off. Take that off. This is supposed to stay here. Alright. Unravel it. Take this plastic off for the ones that don't like this sound. And what you do is you put this on the top. You push down as hard as you can get it. And that is, I think that was far enough. Alright, now with this is your battery slot. You slide this open and then the battery should be activated. Down for lock, up is unlock. Alright, now it's on. Just sprayed a little bit. I don't know if you can see it, but right there it's off and on. Alright, it's time to head to the field and spray all the weeds and all the unwanted grass. Alright everybody, so real quick, we are 2 weeks later, and I want to say that this product did work. Alright, we did the 15-minute test and we did the day after test and blah blah blah. Now the only thing I didn't do was when the weed and the grass died, I didn't rake it out, or I didn't scrape or pick the grass out or anything, so I just let it stay there. Usually when you spray like the weed killer, you could let it stay there and somehow the weeds just disappear. If you look at the Be Gone video I did, the weeds, I never took out none of the weeds, and the grass just grew there. If you look at the Roundup video, insecticide video, that and also the weed stop, the orange bottle weed stop, if you look at all of those weed control videos that I did, I never, well, except for the weed stop, but I never dug out the dead weeds immediately. So yeah, other than that, I'm gonna show y'all that my back right there, back there in the garden, the weed and the grass kind of grew back, which is very strange. All right, y'all see, I sprayed this and it died, but then it came back. So I will go ahead and show y'all that now and then close out this review. Okay, you guys, so now that y'all see that the grass actually grew back and the weeds grew back, y'all give me y'all thoughts and opinions. I used most of this already, so I know y'all can't really see it, but it's about right there. It's about right there. So I used most of the bottle already back here, and it's very strange that the weeds and the grass just came back all of a sudden. So yeah, y'all let me know what y'all think. I think I might go ahead and get the bottle of Roundup, the one that I did the versus with, and do another review on the big gallon jug one, the one that comes with the sprayer and stuff. I don't know if there's any other weed killer that y'all want me to review. Y'all let me know. I know somebody put a message in there. They wanted me to test out this one weed killer. I gotta go back and look at the message again. But anyway, so that's it. So y'all let me know what y'all think. Give me y'all thoughts and opinions in the comment section, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.